Hi there. It was 1 year ago that I put the finish on this vessel. And at the time, someone, a couple of guys in fact, had suggested that I coat the Padauk with this Water Babies sunscreen lotion made by Coppertone. The reason being, Padauk, Purple Heart, and a number of other colorful woods will turn brown after they're subjected to light for a while. So I put that on, and at the time, Doug Robbins suggested that I take another piece of the Padauk, put it in a paper bag, keep it aside so light didn't get to it. So I put it in the bag, put it in here, and in fact, this piece of Padauk is from the same board I used to make this ring. So now I can compare them, and there is some difference. This is a little darker, but I believe that's because at the time I finished it, it turned darker from the finish itself. There's not a lot of difference. Also, I put a piece of tape. This indicated the side of the vessel that was facing out into the room. It was on a shelf in a corner, so this opposite side was sheltered from the light. And when I go around and look at it, I don't know how this is going to show up on the camera, but I really cannot see any difference in the color. So I believe this has worked. After a few years, it may be this will turn darker. I don't know. If that should happen, I'll come back again and tell you about it. But in the meantime, I'm quite happy with it. I think it's working. So, hope that information is some good to you. I want to thank you for stopping in and watching. I always appreciate when you do. In fact, if you could push the like button and let me know I'm doing something right, I appreciate that too. Thank you again for stopping in. Have a great day in your shop. Be safe, and I hope you'll come back again next time. Take care now.